I have been working on improving the standards in my quality department. But for that, I need to measure and track the performance effectively. I need to set the KPIs for quality. मैं क्या करूं? Hi business owners, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. I have made 6 videos on setting KPIs for various functions. In this video, I explore how to set key performance indicators, that is KPIs, for your quality department. See, setting the right KPI is crucial for measuring performance. This is the only way to ensure accountability and drive continuous improvement. So here is how you can set effective KPIs for quality. Step 1. Align the metrics with your organization goals. See, for example, your goal in the next 1 or 2 years may be to enhance product durability. Or another important goal may be reducing rework by getting first time right. So you need to set metrics that reflect important business objectives. Ensuring alignment with business goals keeps your team focused on what truly matters. Step 2. Define specific measurable metrics. It's common sense, but worth repeating. Performance metrics have to be specific and measurable. For instance, instead of setting a vague goal like improve quality, set a specific metric such as reduce defect rate by 15% in this financial year. Specific metrics provide clear targets and make it easier to track progress. Step 3. Set metrics for key quality functions. Let's break down some of these key performance metrics of quality functions which are very relevant to almost every sector. 1. Defect rate. Measure the number of defects per unit produced. For example, reduce the defect rate below 2% per 1,000 units produced, etc., etc. Another matrix, first pass ratio. Track the percentage of products that pass quality inspection the very first time without requiring any rework. For example, achieve a first pass yield of 95%. Another important metric is customer complaints. You must monitor the number of quality related customer complaints that you are getting. For example, reduce customer complaints related to quality by 20%. Another way of measuring customer complaints could be warranty claims. Check your warranty rate and give a target for reduction. The next thing could be in your business return rate. Measure the rate at which products are returned due to quality issues. For example, reduce the return rate due to quality issues to 1%. The next big step is establish process improvement metrics. In addition to product quality metrics, you have to set KPIs for process improvement. Some examples: cycle time. Measure the time taken to complete a process from start to finish. For example, reduce cycle time for fitting XYZ component by 10%. Another one could be scrap rate. Scrap is a major cost in many manufacturing operations. Track the percentage of materials that are discarded as waste. You could give a KPI, reduce the scrap rate from the current 5% to 3%. Very important matrix for improvement is root cause analysis. If there is a complaint which is coming again and again, the team must do a root cause analysis. In fact, they should do the root cause analysis for every quality issue. For example, you could give a target to complete 100% of root cause analysis within 30 days of the complaint being raised by the customer. Step 5, set compliance and audit metrics. See, in quality, compliance with quality standards and regular audits are very, very critical. You could have audit findings, track the number of audit issues, internal or external, and give a KPI to reduce the audit findings by, say, 25%. Compliance rate. Measure the rate of compliance with quality standards and processes and regulations. For example, achieve 100% compliance with ISO 9001 or TS14 standards and things like that. The next important step, step 6, implement employee training metrics. See, employee training and development will play a crucial role in quality management. You could have a matrix like training completion rate. Monitor the percentage of employees who complete the required quality training programs. For example, you could say achieve 100% training completion rate for quality related programs in the current financial year. Skill improvement is another important area. Measure the improvement in skill and knowledge post the training. For example, increase average training assessment scores by 15%. Step 7, very important, regularly review and update these metrics. See, performance metrics should be regularly reviewed, they need to be regularly updated, and they have to reflect any changes in the business needs or at times organizational goals or at times customer requirements. So establish a schedule for reviewing this matrix. Depending on your business, this could be annual review. You have to then use these insights that you gain from the reviews to make informed changes and adjustments in your quality KPIs. Last but not least, communicate the metrics clearly. Please ensure that your team understands the performance metrics and their importance. You must clearly communicate. They must understand the targets. They must also understand how they are going to be measured and what can they do to meet those targets. This is a very, very important step, and often business owners miss this step. Because if you do all these things, then only you will foster a culture of continuous improvement. And quality does require this culture of continuous improvement. So you have to encourage it, you have to provide the tools for it, you have to make sure that you communicate to the people. So, business owner, if I was to summarize setting up KPIs for your quality department, it involves aligning metrics with the organizational goals. It involves setting specific and measurable metrics for key quality functions. You have to focus on process improvements, compliance and audits, as well as employee training. And last but not least, regularly review and update these metrics, clearly communicate them, and make sure that there is a culture of continuous improvements in this organization. By following these steps, you can create a more efficient and effective quality department. I hope this Kya Karu video helps you in setting up effective KPIs for this most important function, which will lead to improved performance and business success. Thank you very much.